Okay, so as you can tell, I'm in a tank top in Wisconsin on this beautiful day. It's like 52 degrees, so time to go swimming. But yeah, so I took forever to wake up, so Paul's been out here cleaning, getting the garage all cleaned up. Now you can actually like see stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna try and get his car. We're gonna go see if we can go about getting to drive. The only things that could hold us up is like if his clutch is fucked, like his the clutch master is fucked. Because when we bled it, it's not very firm, so there's a chance that might be bad. Did you disconnect the slave from the line, or did you just let it hang?
Slave?
Yeah.
That stayed on the transmission. Oh,
Did you disconnect the line from it?
From the car?
Yeah.
Well, the transmission was out, so...
Well, like, I don't know.
Yeah,
because if the line... Okay, yeah. There's a good chance shit's fucked. So, but yeah. So we'll find out if that's fucked. I'm going to pop up in my tent, and I'm going to... Shit, I forgot to grab the silicone out of the house. I got a thing of silicone. Basically, like, our version of cheap body panel adhesive. It's just... We looked at, like, O'Reilly's, and it's basically the exact same fucking thing. Same silicone and everything, so... same operating temperatures and all that crap, so... We came to the conclusion it will be fine. So, I'm going to silicone the lights in on mine. And then maybe I'll try and figure out how to mount a couple more. Maybe slap the bumper on. Who knows? We'll see what I accomplish. But, yeah, let's get some work done today. Alright, we've been knocking out a lot of shit. I've got the rear panel enough together to last until I can get around to basically version 2 of it. Rear bumper's on. I've just got 2 screws on that side, 2 screws on that side. I didn't use any of the things there, and I just used some metal to hold it up so it doesn't look like a fucking shit-filled diaper. I hate this rear bumper now. I prefer it without it. I got my gas cover back on. I think that's all I really accomplished. And I'm going to try and get all of this residue off on this side and on this side as well. So I'm going to try and get all that done. We'll see how well it comes off. I have to use like fucking steel wool. Nothing about that sounds fun. Paul over here is doing work. He got like the oil, or wow, I keep wanting to say oil shit. He's got his radiator. Well, we mounted that last night. And then he's just looks like he's got the lower hose on, upper hose is connected. Radiator fan's wired in, and that's mounted on the front. I guess those are mounted as well. So those are mounted and wired. I think that's it. It's pretty much where we're sitting at right now. He's pretty close to being able to drive her. Trying to take her out for the first drive.
The maiden voyage, some would say.
Yep. Other than we, all right, there's a lot of we're getting close. So we'll keep going here. And yeah. cleaned up pretty good. I mean, the clear coat's probably gone, but fuck it. It's gonna get painted eventually, so it doesn't really matter. I cleaned up this. And we cleaned up this side. So I think you can kind of see it's dulled out now. Not a big deal. So, but yeah, that's that. And Paul's trying to find an O2 bung.
I gave up on that. There is none.
So we
You
can
made it up.
so we can put it on the turbo. We're gonna weld on this guy right on to there, and then we'll put the bung in there. So I'll find the bung. Alright, so we're going to try and see if it'll move forward with the clutch. We're a little weary on that. So, but yeah, made this super Ghetto exhaust, just welded it straight to the fucking turbo.
Oh. Yeah, okay. Ready?
Sure.
Sweet.
What's not hooked up?
Huh?
What's...
Oh, I know it's not hooked up. Gotta find it in this hodgepodge. That little connector. There it is.
Yeah, that one's kind of important.
Yeah, that runs like half the motor.
Half the ignition.
Half of the start. The USB. You gotta try it 3 times.
I fucking
All right.
hate USB.
Let's try her again. It didn't turn off again. And I forgot to tighten that down.
Yeah, we should probably tighten that down. We can probably just unplug.
The alternator stuff?
If we unplug the plug, it should be fine.
Yeah. Forgot the Terpsy.
Yeah, she was bopping around real good.
I saw that. As soon as it started, I was like, yep, forgot to do that.
She's already lukewarm. Smells like gas. We blew like a bunch of crap out. Must be just like flux and looks like drill bit crap.
Probably.
Because I'm sure that fell all down in the turbo. This turbo is done.
Well, we already knew that. That's why we're using it right now. It'd be great if I had a tool that would fit.
That's kind of hot.
I know. It's gotta be the magic one, or else it's not in this. It's not in this kit. It's a 15, and there's a 15. Really? There's no. Wow. There's a small 15, but not a big 15.
Real piece of work, Husky.
Where they cut the corners, right there.
Got you. We'll have to tighten up the slack in your gas pedal too.
Yeah. I think we need a stronger spring. We're gonna wind that more. It feels real easy.
What feels easy?
The pedal. Like too easy.
As long as it returns back, it should be fine.
I need a little resistance, or else I go full throttle all day. I need someone to stop me.
Hold me back.
I can't stop myself. Alright, let's try this again.
No self-control.
Did you unplug the one thing?
Yeah.
Hopefully the other thing's not powering it. The white one. The one that's connected right to the alternator. Oh yeah, it wouldn't matter.
Doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Just won't charge.
Yeah.
No. The thing is, god awful loud. Well, I guess that's going to be the end of this. Gonna have to do the master cylinder and maybe the slave on the clutch. Probably the clutch, I don't know. I'd imagine they're both bad now.
Probably.
Luckily, the slave we've already replaced, so there is, should have lifetime warranty on that, so just gotta take it off and take it in. And then,
A little smoky in here.
yeah, just a little bit. Can't even really tell on camera. But yeah.
The idle's good with all the stuff connected now.
Yeah.
I didn't even look at
Sounds
what
weird.
what the wideband said.
Sounds like cammed.
Oh, that's
It's probably just a turbo though.
Yeah, probably.
But
It is cammed. Jesus. We're gonna have to take that out,
yep,
I think.
you're gonna have to redo your timing. That fucking sucks dick. So, but all right, well, there it is. She ran. She don't move. Real disappointment.
It sucks.
Just a little bit. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this one. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.